Hi! In front of me is Motorola G71 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Motorola. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to select the display and click on styles. Over here, pick one of those themes. I will go with Bloom and select apply. As you can see, style of my device has changed. But you can always go back into the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon over here. Now pick one of those font styles and click next after each step. Over here you can select color of icons in tab menu, shape of them, and even layout. When you're ready, name your theme however you wish to and choose next. Now select apply, and as you can see, theme of my device was successfully customized. But you can always delete your theme by going into styles again, clicking on this pen icon at the top right corner and selecting the green one at the top right corner as well. Then select delete in the pop-up. If you wish to go back into your default theme, select Moto and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!